Welcome to my channel Hack My Style. I have started a new series on marker calligraphy. In my last video, we have covered the basic supplies needed for starting the marker calligraphy. If you want the details on the supplies, please watch my video on the basic supplies. The link is below. In this video, we are going to talk about the basic strokes. Guys, calligraphy is really a fun thing to do. But before starting with the letters and words, it is really important to learn some basic strokes. Just practice these basic strokes for a couple of days and slowly you will become an expert. Okay guys, now let's talk about how to hold the pen correctly. I am a lefty, but it doesn't matter whether you are a lefty or a right-hander. Take the pen, hold it at 90 degree first and then shift it to 45 degree angle. This gives us a good angle to achieve good strokes. If you are a righty, you hold it from the 45 degree angle, and as a lefty, I hold it like this. If you are also a lefty like me, don't worry. You don't have to do anything special. It just takes a little more practice. So here we have a new set of chisel markers pens from Stick. The marker set contains 10 bright colors. These pens are great because they are economical and you can easily find them at any stationery shop. Now let's talk about the paper. I use A4 size executive bond sheet for practice because it doesn't bleed. I also use graph paper or any ruled notebook for practice. You can also use them. Guys, in the beginning, it is not about the pens or the sheet that you use, but it is definitely about the effort that you put in the practice in getting those strokes correct. So now I am starting with the basic strokes. There are some basic strokes in calligraphy. For this first stroke, just hold your pen about 45 degree angle from the paper and put some pressure while moving down on the paper to create a thick stroke called downstroke. Maintain the angle and make sure you don't move your hands while writing. For this next stroke, draw horizontal lines without changing the angle. Guys, please observe the position of my hands. For this third stroke, draw 10 slanting lines, moving from right to left. Now again make slanting lines on the opposite side, but this time draw thick stroke. Now try to make diamond shaped stroke. In calligraphy, we make full stop with this stroke. You can also use it to create beautiful page borders. Now I am showing you the crescent moon stroke. I know it's little tricky, but just observe the position of my hands. You just need some practice to create these strokes, and then you can create beautiful calligraphy words and letters. Now try it in the opposite direction too. In these crescent moon strokes, make sure that your starting and ending points are sharp. Then only your strokes are right. Here are some more basic strokes like S-shaped strokes. For all these strokes, keep your pen at 45 degree angle, maintain the angle and make sure you don't move your hands while writing. Guys, Trust me, this is the only mantra to achieve bright strokes. A quick reminder for you guys, don't change the angle or the hold of your marker. So yeah guys, that's it for today. I have created some practice sheet for you guys. You can download it from the link given below. Go pick up your chisel marker pens, download the sheets and start practicing now. I will meet you in my next video with some fun letters. I hope this video was helpful. Keep watching, keep liking and keep following for more calligraphy videos. Thank you and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Have fun practicing. Bye bye.